Welcome to Shine On DIY. Watch this melt into your skin. A luxury emulsified sugar scrub made with rich butters, glowing boosting oils, and a soft touch of lavender. One step, one glow. Let your skin shine on. I made this scrub using beeswax to give it structure and help lock moisture into the skin. I added mango butter and cocoa butter to deeply nourish and soften dry skin, while cetyl alcohol helps create this smooth, creamy, emulsified texture. For the oils, I use rosehip oil, which supports skin renewal, and avocado oil, rich in vitamins and perfect for moisturizing and protecting the skin. To keep the product safe and shelf stable, I added German Plus preservative. The soft pink color comes from mica and I scented it lightly with lavender essential oil for a calming, relaxing feel. Finally, sugar acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead cells, skin cells, and reveal smoother, brighter skin. As you can see, the texture is creamy and easy to scoop. Once water touches it, it turns into a milky lotion, which means it rinses off clean without leaving an oil residue. To use this scrub, apply it to damp skin, massage gently in circular motion, and rinse off with warm water. It's perfect for hands, legs, feet, and full body exfoliation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Shine On DIY. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.